Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'll be talking about my meal replacement experience with protein shake, and specifically the protein shake that I'll be using in this video is the Blackmore's IsoWhey shakes. This one is in vanilla flavor, and the reason why I thought, you know what, when I got this, I want to do a video about this and trying this out for a week. It's because this, man, I don't know much about protein shake, but this is like my first time seeing a protein shake that has like probiotics and prebiotics in there. Probiotic has been something that I wanted to put into my diet or wanted to put into my daily lifestyle, but they are not cheap at all. Like, seriously, probiotics, if you buy them, right, it's not cheap at all, and you have to take it daily and stuff like that. And for me, I wanted to do that because at one point in time my stomach was really sensitive. I think as I age, my stomach can't really take a lot of specific type of food, like super extremely spicy food. I can't take too much of that anymore, which is a little bit sad, but I guess I just have to embrace it lah. It just happens, okay? You just have to learn how to grow with your body, basically. Why not just do a video about it and really take it every single day and see whether do I lose weight or not? That's probably one of the biggest thing that they claim, that yes, if we follow their program, you'll definitely lose weight. I think things like Nutrilite or something like that, they also have a program where you meal replace with their protein shake. I did the week of meal replacing already. Let's just talk a little bit about this first. This one, it states here that IsoWhey is a delicious, tasty, nutritious whey protein formula. So delicious part is very subjective, okay? The serving suggestion is to mix 1 scoop, which it's inside there already. There is a scoop there, you just gotta dig out and find it. The first time I opened it up, I was like, what the heck, they don't give a scoop? I was like, then how am I gonna measure? But actually it's in there, you just gotta dig it out. Mix 1 scoop into 200 ml of low-fat milk or milk substitute below 40 degrees. Usually protein shake, most of the protein shake that I know, they just generally ask you to mix it with water. You don't really need to mix it with anything else to make it tasty, unless you want to put into your smoothie and stuff like that, and that's a different case. When I tried out during the event, the Guardian event, they actually already blend it with oats and mix it with, I believe, milk or almond milk. I don't know what they put in there, but it tasted so darn good, okay? So that's why I say, you know what, I want a vanilla flavor. Yeah, I mean, vanilla flavor is definitely the most versatile, so that I can put the Milo or cocoa powder or whatever it is I want to put in. I can drink it with anything, basically. First time when I brought home, I tried it out myself after exercising. I just added with water, and oh my gosh, it tasted horrible on its own. So you guys, when you use this, really follow the suggested serving, because drinking it with just water or shaking it with just water is horrible. It doesn't taste good at all. It is pretty much diluted, like almost nothing there. But the thing is, after a while, when you like mix it into your favorite drink or even your favorite smoothie or whatever it is, the good part about having a protein shake that doesn't have too much flavor in them or doesn't taste too much of like too vanilla-y or too strong of a flavor on its own, it doesn't alter the change of your favorite smoothie. So that is the good part. Okay, that's what I realized also as I go along my journey. I tried with low-fat milk, I tried with almond milk, I tried with chocolate almond milk, I tried with soy milk. I tried with quite a lot of things. I tried with coffee as well. Coffee that is not hot, that's already being like cooled down to room temperature, okay? Yeah, I realized that adding this to those really just enhance a little bit of that vanilla flavor without overpowering the entire like flavor of the drink. So it's really not a bad thing. If you are not into protein shakes that are too strong, then this is probably for you. But if you want a protein shake that you just mix into just water, this is probably not for you. And if you expect it to taste good, it's not going to taste good, okay? It suggests you to consume 1 to 2 servings daily, and this one is high protein diet, increase the body need of water, so it's recommended to drink more water if you drink this one lah. So this one is actually a product of Australia, but they recently brought it down to Malaysia and they recently sold it. I don't know if it's exclusively in Guardian or not, but they are available currently in Guardian at a discounted price of 99 ringgit for one tub like this. Before I cut into my routine or my week of trying this out, let me talk to you about the booklet, or you can actually get the PDF version. And apparently they also suggest you here to download the app, to use the app to monitor your program, basically. Now I actually downloaded the app, okay, and I have so much fault to find with it. It is such a horrible app to follow, okay? It is. I know they try, but they need to work harder to do it better because it is not good at all. It's called ISOWave Fit. It will just tell you things that is about today, okay? Today, you choose one ISOWave shakes from any of our great flavors. Don't believe them when they say great flavors, okay? I believe their chocolate and even their coffee flavor may not be as good also. Just stick to the vanilla one and mix it whatever drinks you want. Oh, today is your rest day? What? I think they're supposed to show you your workout, but not in the video form. It most probably just tell you just like that, this is your workout that you need to do, okay? And then you have the second part where it tells you meal. They tell you what food to eat. Steamed ikan kembung with tangy and spicy garlic sauce. You thought, oh, that sounds so good, right? You try to click on that. Nothing happens, okay? It doesn't open up to any recipe or any how to cook this particular dish. They just expect you to know how to freaking cook the dish, okay? So that is why throughout my entire experience, my week experience of replacing my meal with protein shake, I never follow any of their recipes because that is one of their main flaws, is giving you a dish but not telling you how to cook it. This one is on a daily basis. There's no way you can freaking check for your next day's meal or your next week's meal so that you can plan your meal. No way you can do that. It's impossible for you to plan your meal if you just use this app, okay? They don't tell you like tomorrow what you're gonna have, the next day what you're gonna have, the next week what you're gonna have. Usually when it comes to this kind of program, dieting program, a lot of people would like to meal prep. I'm not a meal prep person, but I still would like to know what I'm supposed to eat the next day lah, okay? So that I can know what to buy in advance. Takkan like today, I found out I have to eat ikan kembung. I find out that I have to eat fish. And then I have to go to the store and just buy fish. I cannot be going to the freaking store every single day. So that is just, there's so much flaws in this app, okay? Really not friendly to use at all, not user friendly at all. Just ignore it. Don't even think about downloading it until they actually updated their app, okay? Thankfully, I have the booklet. I started with the Rapid Kickstart program, which is the first 7 days one, okay? Give you 1 week meal plan, Monday to Sunday basically. The food that you'll be eating could be for lunch or it could be for dinner. It really depends, okay? They just shake it up for you guys a little bit, and then they have a list of food where you can snack on if you're hungry. The other issue that I have with this that is similar to the app is that they do not have a recipe in there. They just expect us to know how to make all these freaking dishes. Tuesday is supposed to be chicken satay. I'm like, how the freaking heck am I supposed to know how to make chicken satay? Am I supposed to add salt, or am I supposed to just buy it out? I don't think that's like the healthier choice, right? I think all this I think you're kind of expecting us to make ourselves at home, right? If I'm not mistaken. I don't know, maybe I didn't read the whole entire book, okay? But in front here they did say that if you go out and eat, try to choose specific type of food that is not too oily and stuff like that. They give you some recommendation and suggestions as well. But here I would assume that they expect us to cook lah, okay? So I don't know how to cook chicken satay, okay? That's not all. And then Wednesday is steamed fish with lime and chili dressing. That sounds amazing, but again, I don't really know how to cook that. And then Sunday is like grilled beef and vegetables. It's like all days are all different dishes. As much as I appreciate different dishes so that you can have like a variety of food to eat, it's not easy to prep your meal with all these different type of dishes in here, okay? Usually in most dieting program, they always give you like, for example, maybe Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you eat chicken with like certain type of vegetables, and then you pretty much meal prep is the same way. So you cook in a batch and then you put into like containers, and then after you put in the fridge basically. And then at most they give you is probably 3 different type of dishes so that you can easily meal prep 3 different type of dishes so that you don't get too bored of the food. So that is usually how it's supposed to be, but here it's completely all different. Can you imagine the amount of like ingredients that I need to buy? Darn, they don't repeat their ingredients one, okay? Exercise part. I really like the exercise part. I like that they actually show you metabolic circuit as well, like what you should do for your exercise. So that kind of dumb it down for us, people like us who doesn't know much about exercising, don't even know if I'm doing it correctly or not. I think all my like posture are not really great. There are some things here that they say, for example, like kneeling plank. I'm like, what? What is kneeling plank? Full plank with arm roll. What the frig is that? Like RKC plank. I'm like, what the frig is RKC plank? And the picture here, right, it shows that the lady is on the knees. But actually, when I go research it, I go and Google it. It's actually the regular plank basically. You have to go and research it all by yourself. They don't really have a specific video to show you. I think it would be great if they can just come up with like a series of videos of showing you the exercises, just so that you can just follow on YouTube. That would be even easier. Oh my gosh, YouTube is just playing and then you are exercising with them, so which means that they actually count 45 seconds for each workout. They actually do it with you and they kind of encourages you. I love those kind of exercise video. It just makes things so much easier. So right now what I'm gonna do is that I will first let you watch my 7 days experience basically.
Don't forget to like and subscribe!